The VDE system is a combination of the UWB module and the CAN system, which is all internal within the vehicle. The system gets its input from the CAN system by reading the data from the vehicle's ECUs, which monitors each of its parts. Other inputs come from infrastructure such as traffic signals and other vehicles enabled with the VDE system. It then transmits this information to 5G towers nearby and the road authority to allow them to update their information on the traffic conditions. This is a full duplex communication as UWB allows the VDE system to receive and transmit these data. Furthermore, the UWB module allows vehicles of older models to contribute to the network by providing information from their ECUs. By being part of the network, these older model cars without autonomous features will be able to use a driver assistance system. Future development includes the use of the UWB module on smart devices to expand the network, not only keeping drivers safe but also pedestrians and cyclists.